Performing simple preventative maintenance on your vehicle will go a long way toward protecting your vehicle investment. Neglecting its care can mean even higher costs down the line in form of more expensive repairs and lost resale value. Here's a list of items to be addressed. All fluids, including engine oil, power steering, brake and transmission, as well as windshield washer solvent and antifreeze coolant. Your brake system. Tires, including the pressure and tread. Tires should also be checked for bulges and damage. Hoses and belts. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems for proper heating and cooling performance. Check the wipers and lighting so that you can see and be seen. Check that all interior and exterior lighting is working properly and replace worn wiper blades so you can see clearly when driving in wet conditions. Let us give your vehicle a thorough inspection. For a free copy of the Car Care Council's Car Care Guide, visit carcare.org.